Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the document is in compatibility mode, open it, and check the title bar. Once done, make a quick backup so you can restore original formatting if needed. Next, go to File to verify your Office version to ensure modern features are supported. Then proceed to the first actionable step. Use File Save As and prepare to choose a current Word format. This prevents accidental data loss and sets you up for conversion. Now you perform the conversion so Word quits emulating older behavior. Choose File, Save As, then pick Word Document *, docx and save. This switches file format to the modern standard. Alternatively, if File Info shows a Convert button, click it to migrate features and update internal structure. This is faster and preserves metadata. Make sure to respond to any compatibility warnings so Word can reconcile legacy features. Once saved, Word will often remove the compatibility flag automatically. Finish by verifying the change. Close the document and reopen it. If conversion succeeded, the title bar no longer shows compatibility mode. You should also scan the document for layout or feature regressions. Use File Info Check for issues to inspect. If you see formatting glitches, revert to the backup you made and fix specific elements like headers, tables, or track changes before repeating conversion. Troubleshooting tip: if conversion fails, save a copy, remove suspicious content, and retry the convert or save as step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.